You were the director of media for the PDP. And this is the same man that you have met today. What exactly changed from then and now?
Thank you very much for having me on your program. And to God be the glory and blessed be his holy name. Well, a lot has changed over the last 6 years.
Thunder fire you.
It is important that we make the right choices and the right decisions at the right time. Precisely if we feel as if we are being led by God to make those choices.
Thunder fire
I make
you.
my choices. I owe nobody any explanation or apology other than my family members and other than my God. And I know that I'm doing the right thing. The most important thing for me, and I think some will appreciate this, is that there is no point in having any principle without power. You must have power in order to ensure that whatever principles you enunciate, you can effect them. Without that, you will simply be talking and nothing will change. I've discovered over the last few months that I can work very closely with people within the APC and elements within the government to effect a change. And we've done quite a lot of that over the last few months without me even joining the party. And it has been very effective. I've collaborated with many people within the party, many of the governors in the party, and I will continue to collaborate with them, even some outside the party. But the most important thing for me right now is this country, in my view, is on the brink of war. It's on the brink of disintegration. And we have to join forces, all come together, set our differences aside, and ensure that we build bridges of unity and peace, and ensure that we pull ourselves back from the brink and fight those, mainly from outside this country, that want to destroy our country by dividing us on regional, ethnic, religious, and political party lines.
You be number one, idiot.
We must work together, and we must effect a positive change in our country and move this country in the right direction. And that's part of the reasons that I decided to make this decision today.